Hey everybody. We're gonna pray for few people. I got three of them tonight. Please pray for Deb. She's continuing to get the chemos, treatments. So please pray for her. She has colon cancer, and I know the chemo's rough. So please pray for her. Mike Brennan, the guy that's doing the construction on my house, his family's being evicted at the end of the month, and they need a place to live. Please pray for him and his family. And then I have Andre Alsop. He's a friend of mine that worked with me at GPO. We were together in the same programming training class, the best programming training class to ever go through GPO. Well, anyway, Andre had his knees operated on, and he's having trouble basically learning how to walk again. I know it's rough, Andre. I've been there. So hang in there. You can do it. Just keep at it. And I'm going to play this song. It's called The Hurricane by the Heathens. I am the hurricane. Alexa, resume.
30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the bunch train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Sit right there right now. He says it needs to be at least 3 feet higher. It won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that voice. The water be down by the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on the train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Underneath the Louisiana moon, don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. teach me. Nobody taught him, faith's not a